morning, my grade 4 pupils. Good morning, Master. Study partner.
Almighty God, who are the source of life, we thank you for all the blessings you have given to us. Thank you for giving us another day to learn something new. Clear our mind and help us focus. Guide us and our teacher as we study and create new learning experiences. We pray in the name of Jesus Christ. Amen.
Before you take your seat, please arrange your chairs and bring all the lyrics under your chairs. Okay. Let's take first the attendance if you're all present for today. By saying, tap the right shoulder of your seatmate, you're going to tap, and also the left. Class, can you tap the right shoulder of your seatmate? And tap also the left shoulder of your seatmate. Is there any absent for today, class? Yes. That's it down. But before we discuss our topic for today, of course, I will present first our rules for today that we need to follow until the end of our discussion. So the first one is be attentive. And the second one, observe silence. Fourth, and the third is raise your hand. If you want to say something, just raise your hand. Is that clear, class? Yes, teacher. So last meeting we discussed about the different instruments of weather, right? Yes, weather. Okay, thank you. So I prepared here a short play that you need, short game for you. So this game is called Grab the Cup. This cup contains a question inside, and all you need to do is, of course, we're going to play the game, and the one who gets the cup will be, she will be the one who answered those questions inside. Understand? Yes. Okay, so I will group you into two groups, and each group will have 5 representatives to come in front. Yes. So guys, class, where is your representative? Representative Johnny. Where? Coming from Group 1 and Group 2. You're not listening one. Can we go here? Who are representative of 5? Oh, wait na. Okay, 10. Nose. Shoulder. Karoon na ka. Sino yung mga panalo? Number one pa. Okay, as we can read the question and answer. Yes. A device used in measuring the different levels of is whether it's come again? Whether it's correct. And then the number two, cup. Yes, Rosie. Determine with weight. Let's see. Tama. And the third question. Yes. A device used to measure frequency and direction. And then multimeter. Come again? And then multimeter. Okay, correct. The number four. A device for collecting and measuring the amount of rain which is called rain gauge. Rain gauge. Tama. And the last one. Thermometer. Okay. Okay. Lahat ng mga sagot nila ay tama. So, last, can we give them a round of applause? Okay.
Last time, we are already understand our lesson on reading. So today, I have two questions for you. How do you love letters?
What?
How do you love letters? Letters. How about numbers? So some of you hate numbers, but most of you love letters. But did you know that both letters and numbers are related to our game for today? And this game is called Crackball. So, are you familiar with this game, class?
No.
So, this game is a type of mind games that composed of letters and numbers. As you can see on the board, there are numbers and its corresponding letters, right?
Yes,
And what we're going to do is I will give you number code and you will find the letters on the table so that you will form a word. Okay? Yes, paunahan. So the directions is cut the code using the clues below. So ibibigay ng clues dito and magbibigay ako sa inyo ng number code. Okay ba?
Yes, teacher.
But before we start, I will group you in 4 groups. And kapag nabuo nyo na yung word, itap nyo lang to and i-paste nyo yung answer nyo sa board. Understood, class? Okay, I will group you in 4 groups. Group 1 is from Aubrey to Miriam. Ay, ganito na lang pala, class. Group 1 is from row 1 to row 2. Group 2 from row 3 to row 4. And group 3 from row 1 to this column, row 1 to row 2, and group 4 from row 3 to row 4. Alam niyo na ba kung asan yung grupo niyo?
Yes,
Pwede na kayong tumayo and mag-form kayo ng score. Class, form the circle. Let's move. Anong group niyo? Bakit hindi kayo nakasettle? Sino yung mga nakaupo dito? Ito yung group niyo. Hindi nyo susulat. Sabay-sabay niyo may open. Okay, class, you may start. I will give you 2 minutes to answer the call. Okay. So, sino yung naunang group? Group 3. Pero, titignan natin kung tama yung mga sagot nyo. So, ang hinahanap ni teacher na wag kanina is yung words na like and submerge. So, tama. Group 1. And sa group 2 po ay naging P and V.
Sir, book for it first.
Ay, group 4.
Ito, sir.
Then ito.
3.
Okay, all your answers are correct. Give your search for round of applause.
Sir, may I go out?
Yes?
Sir, may I go out?
That's what you observe in these words that you before.
Thank you, Ben.
Using the code.
Saan yung before? Yan pa eh.
Okay? Hindi na natapos ng group 3.
Teacher na, may
Class, remember, sa code list, ito yung first word. Gaya ng ginawa nila dito. Ito yung sa taas, yan yung first word, which is the dry clothes. And dito sa baba, yan yung second na word, which is the skin cancer. Did you understand, class?
Yes!
Okay. So, what did you observe in these words, class? Do you think they are related to our subject?
Yes, teacher!
Okay, let's find out using the short video. Class, please observe the video of the answer.
Today, we're going to learn about the usefulness and harmful effects of the sun. Let's get started. Everything is the sun too. The sun is heat and light. Hi friends, this is Alina. Today, we're going
Pwede
to
nyo din isulat yung mga important details kasi may questions ako mamaya after the video.
let's get started. Everything
Can you think of reasons why the sun is important to us? To help you understand further, please continue to listen to this video. Like I told you before, the sun provides heat and light. Now, let's talk about the useful effects of the sun's heat. 1. To dry clothes. We can use the sun's heat to make our clothes dry instead of using our washing machine. 2. To dry some fish or other foods such as meat, squid, and many other kinds of food to make things longer. 3. To make food warm. Friends, can you imagine if you don't have the sun? How cold it would be? Now, let's talk about the useful effects of the sun. 1. To light keeper. We can see objects around us because of the sunlight. We have day and night because if we don't have the sun, it will always be dark. 2. For plants to grow right. Just like us, plants use the sun to make foods where they can grow. 3. To get solar energy. Solar energy here directed electricity. Now look at the picture. This is solar cell. Some objects like toys or calculators use solar cells instead of batteries. 4. To make our skin and lungs healthy. The sunlight provides our bodies with vitamin D that helps our bones to grow strong. It is good for our skin to have sunlight on our head vitamin D every day, especially in our current situation. Friends, although the sun is very useful for us, remember that there are harmful effects as well as too much sunlight and heat. 1. A sunburn. A sunburn is caused by overexposure of light from the sun. Our skin can be itchy, pimple, and damaged. 2. Skin cancer. Overexposure to the sun
Are you watching?
cancer. Three, blindness. If we stare at the sun for a long time without any protection, our eyes will be blind. So don't stare at the sun. 4. Headache. We may get a headache if we stay under the sun for a long time. Now it's time to challenge yourself.
Okay, class. Based on the video that you watch, what are the usefulness effects or harmful effects of the sun that you mentioned in the video? Yesterday. Yes. Continue. What's your answer? Skin disease. Okay. Yes. ID. Okay, very good. So one of the harmful effects on the sun is fatigue that yes, Miriam. Skin cancer. So yung mga nandun is nandito din ba sa words na okay, and that's what we are going to discuss this morning about the beneficial and harmful effects of the sun. But before we tackle our lesson for today, I will present first our objectives. So, the letter A, at the end of the lesson, which students or pupils will be able to identify the beneficial and harmful effects of the sun to humans, plants, and animals. So, letter B, show curiosity on how sun affects living things in daily lives. And letter C, illustrate the beneficial and harmful effects of the sun to living things through arts. So class, you need to listen because later on you will have your group activity and you are going to illustrate the harmful and beneficial effects of the sun to living things through your art skills. Okay, what comes first in your mind when you hear the word sun? Rona. Yes, sun. Ano yung unang pumapasok sa isip mo kapag naririnig mo yung sun?
Teacher, ito po yung nagbibigay ng liwanag sa buong mundo.
Very good. Sun is our primary source of light and energy. Did you know, class, that sun has a lot of beneficial effects to us, humans, plants, and animals? Okay. Before we go to the examples, let's define first what do we mean by beneficial. Can you read it, class?
Means producing good results or helpful effects.
Before you understand, I want you to observe this picture. What did you observe or what do you see in this picture, class?
Babae teacher.
Raise your right hand, teacher.
Okay. Yes, Isania.
A bird teacher.
A bird. So, what else is it? What else? Ito yung nakikita sa larawan nila. Very good. So, why do you think bakit kaya ginagawa ng babae? Bakit kaya siya ipapainit sa araw ka? Very good.
Sabi sa video,
Very good. So, yung ginagawa ng babae is you let yourself expose the sun so that you can gain vitamin D, which is essential for our skin and bones. Di ba na-mention sa video yung kanina?
Yes, teacher.
Ginagawa niyo din ba to?
Yes.
Sino yung ginagawa dito?
Teacher May.
So, class, remember that sun is very important to us. It strengthens our bones to make our skin healthy. Pero remember, class, kapag sobrang init ng araw, huwag na tayo magpa-araw ng ganito. Ang the best na magpapa-araw natin is tuwing umaga lang, class. Okay?
What time?
Sabi ni Christian kanina, 6 to 7. And class, depende pa rin kung kapag 7, di ba class, kapag 7 kasi ngayon sa panahon ngayon is sobrang init na. So it's better kapag 6 o'clock as you exercise din naman. Yes, so pwede din naman class, wala namang specific time. Ang specific lang is yung kung ilang minuto ka dapat nagbabad sa araw. Pero hindi niya sinabi na as a is 3 minutes ka nandun sa araw. Remember class na kapag sinabing magpainit sa araw, is different siya sa magbilad ka sa araw. Kapag kasi nagbilad ka sa araw, class is nasusunog talaga balat mo. Pero kailangan natin magpainit sa araw for 3 to 5 minutes. Yung 3 to 5 minutes na yun is okay lang kahit hindi dire-diretso. Kagaya ni Robin sa bahay nila is noon pa yung bago naman yung araw sa bahay nila. Do you understand, class?
Yes, teacher.
Parang hindi kayo kumain.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, ano lang mag-start with this pictures, class?
Pagbilitan ng mais.
What? Ano ang narita? Dito sa first picture.
Solar teacher.
Solar.
Panel teacher.
Solar panel.
Tignan natin kung tama si Loretta. Solar energy or yung solar energy class is siya yung pupunta dito sa solar panel para magkaroon ng electricity. Okay, dahil nakasagot si Loretta, bibigyan natin siya ng
Sana all.
second picture class. Yes, Casey.
Teacher, lalaking salisagan di pinilang presentation.
Very good. So, observe mo din ba ito class sa barangay ninyo? Pero dito sa mga class is bawal yung mga bilat sa kalsada kasi bawal yung mga accident.
Teacher, they pay me.
So, yes. Pero class, remember kapag provincial road, no? Pinagbabawal talaga class kasi kapag class listen, pag provincial road kasi class, maraming sasakyan na naman. Alam niyo ba yung different types of roads class? Provincial road, municipal road. National road, provincial road. So, class, anyway, solar energy. And yung second picture, ano ginagawa? So, yan yung one class, dalawa sa beneficial effects ng sun into humans, yung solar energy, and yung drive the crops. Next picture. Class yes, to be. Yes. One of the beneficial again of the sun is to dry our clothes. So class, sino dito yung mga naglalaba kayo baka pa? Yes. Ano ginagawa ko after maglaba? Sinasampay. So, class, sabi ko?
Wow, rich kid!
Class, dahil yun sa nasa 20% na tayo class, ano na yung advancement ng technology. Pero hindi pa rin class, diba? Hindi pa rin mawawala yung ibibilan natin sa araw yung ating mga damit. Diba? Hindi natin magagamit ang pagkakasila natin or yung may generator sila, bigit mo yan.
Sana wala, B. Sorry. My presentation.
Do you have any questions about that?
Teacher.
So, yung pinagita ko na rapat class is yun yung mga beneficial effects of the sun to humans. Ngayon, ano naman yung beneficial effects of the sun to humans? Kaya, may idea? Yes, Emma?
Teacher, I think that helps the plant to
Because the sun helps the plants to grow. So, tingnan natin. Very good. One of the beneficial effects of the sun is it helps the plants to grow. Ano? Yung mga di ko nabigyan ng prize, mamaya na lang. So, ito yung beneficial effects ng sun plants class. It helps them to grow. Ano nga tawag natin yung class? Sa process na natutulungan ng sunlight.
photosynthesis, teacher.
Very good. Sino ko sa class? Okay, how probably one class o mga animals? Do you have any idea kung ano yung mga beneficial effects ng sun to animals? Anyone? So one of the beneficial effects of sun to animals is it keeps their body warm, diba? Na-mention natin last meeting, yung mga cold, there are cold-blooded animals like snakes and insects. And yung sun is tinutulungan niya yung sarili nila para maging warm. And yung other animals in class is ginagamit nila yung sun for lighting and vision. Okay, before I understand the beneficial effects of the sun on living things, I will present a simple chart. So, can you read class the beneficial effects of sun to humans?
Vitamin D, light and heat, used to dry clothes and craft.
sa animals meron din vitamin D. So, bakit kaya? Kasi class, katulad natin mga tao, kailangan din naman ng animals ang vitamin D para sa kanilang skin and access lower homes in class. So, as you observe that, there are a lot of beneficial effects of sun among living things, right?
Yes, teacher.
And there is a beneficial, there are also harmful effects of the sun among living things. Kaya titignan natin kung ano ang mga to. But before that, I want to read the definition of harmful.
Means capable of causing damage to someone or something.
Okay. So, observe this picture class. So, these are the harmful effects of the sun among living things, specifically in humans. So, ano yung nakikita niyo sa first picture?
Sunburn.
Sino dito yung pumunta sa beach nung nakaraang malimit? Ano yung nilagay mo sa skin mo to protect your skin from the sun rays? So class, to avoid sunburn, kailangan natin maglagay ng sunscreen or sunblock sa skin natin kapag pumunta tayo ng beach. Class, merong may mga sunblock, may sunscreen na pambata, at the same time, meron din mga pambata. So, before you use the sunblock or sunscreen, kailangan basahin mo na yung mga nakasulat doon. Di ba, napag-aralan natin sa ETV natin na may mga nakasulat din sa mga product, kung pwede ba sa mga bata, kung ano yung mga ingredients niya na pwede sa mga bata. Okay, Loretta?
Yes, teacher.
How about the second picture, class? How about the third picture?
Blindness.
So, sa tingin nyo, class, bakit kaya one of the harmful effects of the sun to humans is blindness? What do you think?
Sobrang teacher. First pa lang, magkakalit pa. Yung sinasabot natin sa mga grade. Tapos yung grade. Habang sa tinatapos teacher, dahil na sana yung magkakalit.
So, yung answer ni Loretta, JD is tama. Kaya siya naging, yes? Very good, Rinali. So, yung blindness class is na maabot natin yan kapag gumagamit tayo ng sunglasses. And kaya naging harmful effects ng sun yung blindness is kapag directly na titigan ni sun is sasakit yung mga mo, right? Pero class, hindi agad-agad na magkakaroon ka ng blindness or hindi ka agad mabubulag. Magkakaroon ka muna ng tinatawag natin na katarata or katarat sa hindi. And the fourth picture class, ano yung hindi. So tama din sinabi mo rin ang class. But remember guys na ang hearing at migraine is magkaiba. Kapag sinabi natin yan talaga yung concept ng dulo natin na nagkakos ng init or kulang ka sa tubig. And iba din yung migraine. Kung kapag sinabi natin yung class, dito lang tayo usually yung masakit sa atin, right? Dito sa pagkaibilang natin, sa ulo natin. Kapag migraine kasi class, dito buong ganito mo class yung sasakit. Kaya lang. Okay, yung nandito class is, that's what we call vigorous. Meron kasi tayong tatlong klase ng pagsalit ng ulo. First is the headache, migraine, and the vigorous. Kapag sinabi natin headache, dito banda. Kapag sinabi naman namin migraine, dito banda. And then kapag sinabi namin vigorous, is lahat na ng lalaki. So class is, nagkakos yan usually dahil sa init ng araw, and at the same time, kulang din naman sa tubig kapag ganun. Kasi nga, diba, yung katawan natin composed of 60% water. And yung water na yun is hindi lang siya nandito. Diba, ang pagkakaalam kasi natin, yung water, are you listening class?
Yes, teacher!
dispersed in water. And ang pagkakaalam kasi natin na yung water is from sa baba hanggang dito lang, which is hindi class. Katulad ng nakikita kasi natin sa picture at sa mga book, ganun. Pero class, yung water na yun is nasa bibad sa katawan natin. Yung iba is nasa ulo natin. Kaya nga tayo pinagpapuri sa class, babanda ito. Kasi yung water is yung iba is nasa ulo natin, then yung iba is nasa katawan natin. Kaya meron din tayo water, kasi nga meron tayong water sa katawan ng ulo natin. Do you understand that?
Yes, teacher.
Kaya kapag masakit ang ulo nyo, kailangan nyo ginamit ng sombrero at ninyo ang maraming tubig. Because this picture is what you observe. It's true. So yan din ang isa sa carbon effects ng sun and sunburn and skin cancer. Blindness gas or katarata.
Your sore eyes data.
Iba yung sore eyes sa gas.
Cataract is yung puro puti.
O bakit masakit yung mata mo, Joyce?
Kaya nakita daw yung may kasama iba yung
Last remember na hindi lahat ng pagmula ng mata natin is tinatawag na yung sore eyes. Meron din yung dahil sa cause ng sobrang init. And meron din yung kapag may ganito mo, ginaganito ko sinabi na so dahil dun sa hangin, sa pinagsapang hangin, sa init, and then dun sa kaya kaya kapag kayo sa kuya nyo, daddy nyo, or mama nyo, gumamit kayo ng helmet para maprotektan nyo ng ito. All of these picture class. Ako class, ano kaya sa tingin nyo, harmful effect ba yan sa plants or sa animals?
Plants, teacher.
Yes, yes, okay, class, for you to understand the harmful effects, are you listening, class? Clap twice. For you to understand the harmful effects of the sun on living things is meron listing, may papagino listing German card. And sa humans, can you read?
Heat stroke, sunburn, skin cancer, eye damage, dehydration.
And how about the plant? Field or yung pagkalanta ng mga alam.
Alay-lay.
So class, ano kaya ito ang gagawin natin to avoid these harmful effects of the sun? Avoid this. Okay, ito. Ano yung mga nakapansin niyo sa araw?
Umbrella. Sunglass.
Kailan natin ginagamit ang umbrella?
Kapag mainit.
Quiet.
Teacher na pag mainit tsaka umuulan.
Good. So, lahat meron pa kayong dalang umbrella? Next time, kung yung mga walang dalang umbrella, magdala kayo kasi sobrang init.
Wala kami pamili.
Okay, wala ba kayo dito? Walang so, class, kapag nagsunod si teacher, bibigyan niya kayo ng sunglasses. Gumagamit ba kayo ng sunglasses? To protect our eyes from the sun's heat and panilig sa mga alikabok. Upon the third video class,
Or summer.
ayun, mga hats or mga sombrero. Ang ginagamit natin ito to protect our head sa sun's heat. And how about this one?
Number.
And may naman yung nagigita. Ilang klase yung hindi kailangan?
8 classes.
Okay, class. May question ba kayo about the academics and educational responsibility?
Non-teacher.
Ano na kayo? Okay, what are you doing?
Teacher, nasakit ka ng ulo na.
Okay, kapag masay tulong mo, punta ka sa clinic, sasamahan ka ni Juan, ni Heidi. Okay, class. Wala na kayong tanong? Please write an article on television effects of sun.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, I think you are ready to proceed to our group activities.
Groups and agree to analyze the group 1, then Nathan to Rosie is the group 2, then Yes to Anna is the group 3. So, bago nyo gawin ang group activity nyo, I will present first our rubrics that we need to follow. The first is speaking. I will give you 5 points if it's excellent. Clear, confident, and engaging delivery. So, dito, I need per representative to deliver I need per representative to deliver your output in front of you. Is that clear, class? Yes. And 3 points naman is very good, mostly clear, confident, and delivery. And the second is understanding. If all answers are correct and all your output is connected to our topic. And then the third is deepness, of course, presentation. If your output is well organized. Is that your class?
Yes, teacher.
The group 1 will be slogan. Create a slogan about the harmful effects of sun and how to avoid it. Group 1 is get the instruction. Group 1.
Yes, teacher.
So the group 2 poster. Make a simple poster showing the beneficial effects of sun. Is that clear, group 2?
Yes, teacher.
And then the group 3 poster essay. Make a simple poster essay about the benefits. Essay. Okay. So, gagawa kayo ng poster essay about the beneficial and harmful effects of sun. Is that clear, group 3?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. I will give you 3 minutes to complete your task.
Teacher, 2 minutes lang ba ita, teacher?
Yes, teacher.
Very good. Ang ganda ng mga output nyo. Galing ka pala sa arts. Grabe. And now, we will proceed to we will proceed to your next activity, which is called the Sun Safety Fashion Show. I want 2 representatives from this group, and I want 1 representative from this group, and one representative from this group.
What to do?
Ayan for Baby from this group. Baby and Ruby. Because may mga gamit tayo dun sa likod. And gagamitin nyo yung sa inyong fashion show. On how you protect yourself mga gamit. Ito na kayo. I'll give you 1 minute to prepare.
Teacher de Christy.
Teacher, ano na kami lesson?
Ayan, hindi. Dalawa.
I want another
Pero wala kasi na
Wala malikon. That one. Can I borrow that one?
Okay. Okay. Last 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Okay, Rafa. First group, Loretta.
Dapat nagbilang picture.
Next. Okay. First group, Loretta. Pwede naman may paliwanag kung bakit kailangan mo sa auto to protect yourself. Then, ayun ang mga sarili nila.
Teacher, yung mga nagduma, kailangan niya ang shirt jacket and sombrero.
Good. Narinig niyo ba yung sagot ni Loretta? Pwede mo ba ulitin ito, Smith? How about group 2?
Sir, we use the umbrella to protect our skin and from heat and then 3/4 from one skin.
So, narinig mo ba yung sagot ni Christine?
Oo.
Pwede mo ba ulitin ito na?
Ano nga yung kulang? Teacher,
Teacher, sabi ni Christine, ginagamit niya daw yung umbrella to protect our skin. And yung water naman is para hindi siya ma-dehydrate.
Very good. So, now, class. Are you with me? Next, we will proceed with your Guys, we will proceed to your next activity. This activity is called pick a number. And directions, pick a number and answer the question written at the bottom of the number. Okay, who wants to answer? Where on right? Yes, or me? Pick a number. 4. Take the question and answer. Very good. So, I think ending na yung lesson namin for today. And before you go home, kakalagay ng assignment. Nabasa yung mga notebook niyo class and copy your assignment.
Teacher, we're not happy.
Last. Last. Dahil tapos na ang inyong activity na by group, nakakalagay ng individual activity. Are you ready? Yes! The instructions is, letter A, put a happy face if it is beneficial effects of the sun, and sad face if kapag harmful effects of the sun. And may nakalagay niya yung class from verse 1 to 10. And the letter B, give one harmful effects of the sun and give your own face on how to avoid it. Did you understand?
Yes, teacher.
We get one and pass. Are you done, class?
Yes.
Okay. People at the back in the class can take first. The person in front of you in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, very good. Class, bago kayo uwi, can you read your assignment?
Put one plant exposed to sun and one plant in the shade. It should be the same type of plant. Leave it in 1 to 2 hours from 1 p.m. to 10 p.m. and observe it after. Write your observation in short brown paper.
Okay. Gagawin nyo yan, class is experiment. You are going to put one plant exposed to sun and one plant exposed to shade. Gawin nyo yan and leave it in 1 to 2 hours from 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. and observe it after. Then you are going to write your observations in A4 1 paper. Okay, class, goodbye class.
Bye!